I'm feeling high.
Time travel movies have always been my favorite in the science fiction category of films, and if you are here watching this video, then you and I share the same love for this interesting concept. And I recently watched the complete TV series Dark, which by far has the best and the most mind-bending time travel of all time, including all the TV shows and movies ever made. Trust me on that. And that series actually forced me to make this video. You must watch it if you love time travel. And if you have already watched the series Dark and you want more stuff like that, you are at the right place, because today I've made a list of top 5 films that are based on time travel that you probably haven't watched and will totally blow your mind. Just an FYI, this list does not contain movies like the Back to the Future series, the Terminator series, Avengers Endgame or the Star Trek movies, but 5 comparatively lesser known movies that are really awesome. So make sure you watch this video till the end and be amazed with the mind-boggling stories. One more thing, I'm not going to spoil any movie for you by giving away all the details so that you go into these films fresh. Trust me, I know the feeling. So with that being said, let's get on to our list. So number 5 on the list is British film Triangle, that features an ocean of mind-bending time loop with lots of blood and violence, kind of like a slasher film, and follows a woman and her friends going on a sailboat trip until the yacht is caught in a deadly storm and is completely destroyed after an impact with a massive wave. Now stuck in the middle of nowhere, all of them get on board a passing ship that appears to be deserted, and as soon as our main character Jess gets on the ship, she experiences intense deja vu that she has already been on the ship before, and later realizes that she is stuck in a time loop and the same things are happening again and again, and that the ship is getting filled up with different versions of herself and her friends, and there is a masked killer who is fulfilling an important purpose, which is a major twist in the third act. It's really difficult to talk about this movie without spoilers, and I want you to experience this crazy roller coaster ride yourself without knowing what's gonna happen next or why everything is even happening. It's gripping, it's smart, it's fun, it's intense, and more importantly, it's a nail-biting thriller that will blow your mind. I'm totally sure you're gonna love it. Number 4 on our list is 12 Monkeys, which was released in 1995, starring Bruce Willis and Brad Pitt, who was also nominated for Best Supporting Actor at the Oscars for his role. Now the film is extremely relatable in 2020 as the world is hit by COVID-19 pandemic affecting more than 10 million people so far. So in 1996, a deadly virus wipes out 5 billion people from the world, which is obviously more cinematic than the real life situations. And by the year 2035, only 1% population survives by living underground as the air is so poisonous to breathe. Our main character Cole is a prisoner who is promised parole if he goes back in time to 1996 and successfully prevents the virus from spreading in the first place, and undergoes some serious training to prepare for the journey to the past. And that's all I'm going to tell you without taking away all the fun and spoiling it. The film is a chaotic experience full of madness and mind-blowing plot twists that make it an overall intelligent time travel flick. The direction is brilliant with the beautiful performances by Bruce and Brad, and the serious and dark atmosphere this film creates to explore Cole's journey is just a spectacular experience to watch. Moving on to number 3 on our list is 2011 Source Code, that features Jake Gyllenhaal, Michelle Monaghan and Vera Farmiga. In this film, Jake's character Coulter is sent into a computed reality to prevent a bomb explosion and to find the bomber in 8 minutes in a moving train. What's amazing about this film is that Coulter has no memory of his mission while he's on the train for the first time, but gathers more and more information about the situation and the mission when he's sent on the train again and again until he is able to find the bomber and prevent the train explosion that killed everyone on board. Again, telling you more about this film will take away all the fun that this brilliant film offers. In a quick review, I'll say that it's a very smart film, intelligently written and directed, that does not lose its grip throughout the runtime, and the performance by Jake Gyllenhaal as a confused man to an army captain is extremely praiseworthy, and that the film is overall must-watch sci-fi thriller. And on number 2 on our list is a Spanish science fiction thriller, Time Crimes, and seriously I'll say only a few things about this masterpiece, as you know it's on number 2 on our list, and speaking even a little bit about this bizarre film might spoil it for you guys. This is a low-budget film with practically no visual effects and yet features one of the most complex and confusing plots, which is full of unexpected twists and dark humor that will surely leave your mouth wide open in surprise. If you have watched this movie or after you watch this movie, comment down and let me know your thoughts. Seriously guys, that's all I'm talking about this film. And now it's time for the number 1 contender on our list, and if you have not guessed it yet, it's Predestination, which is my second favorite piece of science fiction that is based on time travel. The first one is obviously the TV show by Netflix, Dark. The film is simply mind-blowing and based on the predestination paradox, also known as a causal loop, where one particular thing, which can be an action or object or a person, has no origin of its own. One action causes another action, which eventually results in the original action, creating a loop. This is better explained with an example. Suppose there is a book which you take back in time and give it to the author of that book, who will write that book in future and at present has no idea about the existence of that book. He then simply copies the book and publishes it. In this case, the book has no origin. The film starts off very slow but turns into a time-traveling monster as you progress in the film, and just like the others, if this film is spoiled for you, then there is no point in even watching it. It's a mind-bending thriller that is so grounded and quietly tells a brilliant story without the slightest unnecessary confusion or twist. It's a simple yet powerful film that has only one twist at the end, which is the godfather of all the twists in the world. The film has a really slow start. Please have a little patience and you'll have the best experience watching this incredible piece of cinema. Have you watched all the films? Comment below your thoughts on your favorite films, and obviously there are more than 5 time travel movies made. If you know some good ones, please don't forget to add it in the comments and spread the good work.